Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Luca Cardamone, and today with my mentee Maddy Aubry, I'm presenting to you Fox Factory Holding Corporation. Fox Factory is a leader in the bike and vehicle suspension products industry. Thanks to its strong branding associated with high performance and technologically advanced products, the company is well positioned to meet the needs of growing consumer interest in bikes and powered vehicles used for recreational and professional purposes. The sports and outdoor industry is projected to grow at a CAGR of 8.2%, reaching 234 billion by 2025. The COVID-19 pandemic has emphasized the importance of exercising and being outside, and many individuals have discovered mountain bikes and power vehicles to be a great way to safely get a healthy dose of fresh air. In addition, new trends such as e-biking are attracting more and more people to this sport. The slow recovery towards a normal life and a possible vaccine coming out will likely increase the demand for such goods, and Fox Factory business model is ready to capitalize on these opportunities. The company reported strong Q3 results with sales up 23% year over year and 42% quarter over quarter. The strong growth is attributable to the growing interest in performance-defining products and outdoor activities that COVID-19 helped rediscover. Through strategic investment in facilities abroad and in its home state, Fox has had a great success in streamlining operations, which are improving margins and operational efficiencies. Additionally, the company has had a strong record of innovation with the introduction of many new products such as the Live Valve, an electronic suspension system able to process data and automatically adjust suspension according to the changing terrain. Given Fox Factory's unique position to take advantage of growing outdoor sports trend, solid financial and experienced management team, it is recommended that Fox Factory Holding Corp be added to the AIM Small Cap Fund with a price target of $105.21, representing a potential upside of 28.35%. Driver number 1: e-mountain bike growth. Many outdoor sports enthusiasts are learning about the e-mountain bike, which is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10.3% from 2020 to 2025. With sports becoming more adaptable through technologies, people are finding electric bikes more appealing. In fact, there are many reasons why people prefer e-mountain bike over the conventional ones. And the main one is the ability to cover greater distances with less effort while keeping the body in exercise. Other reasons that justify this growth include the rise in fuel cost, government subsidies and financial incentives to help reduce climate impact. Fox products are already featured on most of the high-end bikes, and this trend is positively affecting the company's sales, that in the specialty sports group have grown over 32% quarter over quarter. Driver number 2: Georgia expansion. Fox is diversifying its manufacturing platform by constructing a 336,000 square feet facility in Hall County, Georgia. This facility will help the company to improve their supply chain efficiencies, provide long-term storage capacity, and support the overall growth of the company in North America. Over the last quarter, Fox has successfully completed the transfer of all the aftermarket shocks manufacturing to this facility, and it remains on schedule to have the full transition in 2021. The Georgia expansion has already provided the company with productivity gains, and in the future it will bring plenty of value to the company by boosting the power vehicle group. Supply chain efficiencies have helped the company improve gross margins by 110 basis points and EBITDA margins by 250 basis points quarter over quarter. The third driver is strategic acquisition. Fox Factory is taking advantage of the fragmented industry through acquisition. In the past, the company completed several positive acquisitions that allowed Fox to expand its product offering. In March 2020, Fox acquired SCA Performance, a leading specialty vehicle manufacturer that is already having a positive impact on the company margin and has helped achieve a 17% sale increase in the powered vehicle segment quarter over quarter. In order to reach an intrinsic value for Fox, a 5-year DCF was constructed. A terminal growth rate of 1.50% and a WACC of 8.56% were utilized, and an intrinsic value of 98.50 was reached. Additionally, an enterprise value to EBITDA was utilized with a multiple of 30.90, resulted in an intrinsic value of 93.42. Also, a price to earning ratio was utilized with a multiple of 42.62, which resulted in an intrinsic value of 148.33. By weighting the three models 70, 15, 15, a price target of 105.21 was reached, resulting in a 28.35 potential upside.
Now on to risks. First, acquisition and integration of intellectual property. With the increase of the acquisitions becoming an important part of the business model, Fox could experience potential costs within the intellectual property rights when adding and integrating new products. Second, concentrating customers. Fox generates a large portion of sales as a result of their 10 largest OEM customers. In 2019, these customers accounted for 44% of sales. This could become problematic if they were to lose any of these customers, but their increase in acquisitions will add new customers to their business, which will help mitigate this risk. Lastly, competition. Fox operates in highly competitive industries, including several manufacturing companies who produce similar products. Fox must remain innovative and continue to offer a wide range of high-quality products to remain competitive among these manufacturers. Fox Factory Holding Corporation benefits from a knowledgeable and experienced management team. Michael Dennison has served as the CEO of the company since June of 2019. Scott Humphrey became the CFO for the company in August of this year. He brings over 20 years of experience in the finance and operations management industry with previous roles at Sinner Resources LP and Hibbett Sports Incorporated. Chris Tutton, president of the Specialty Sports Group, is known for his experience in the cycling industry, which he entered in 1994. Notably, he was president of the Race-Face Performance Products and Easton Cycling after Fox acquired to form RFE Holding Corporation. With a capable and skilled team, Fox is set to continue in its position leading in the industry.